Hey guys, I got a quick tip in today's daily dose for you on what to do when you face multiple offer situations for buyers, how to win out in those situations. So I'm actually here on a Friday night with Kiera. You want to say hi? Say hi. You think you're funny? She thinks she's funny, but I was just at a Instagram live with, actually brought on one of my buyer's agents. She's writing an offer, and we came up with 3 different main ways, and there may be more, to beat out competing offers. So if you're in a low inventory market, or the home you want, there's not a lot of them that come up for sale, you might be competing with other people. So one way to beat it is speed. Like, get the offer in first and try to put pressure on that listing agent to present it to the seller. That's what our agent is doing tonight. I think the home came on the market yesterday, so she's trying to get that offer in tonight before they get to the weekend, before they get to the open house. So that's one way, speed. All right, I think speed wins out in a lot of things in life. So speed. Another way is if you are competing when that offer goes in, there's different ways to compete other than price, right? So make your terms better. So lessen the risk to the seller, right? So put less contingencies in there, right? If you've got a home inspection, appraisal, financing contingency, that all has risk to the seller because it gives you ways to get out of the deal. So either eliminate those or shorten the time frame in general. That's one way to reduce risk to the seller. The other way is to go with a bigger down payment, bigger EMD. That reduces risk. And then sellers always like closing faster, right? So a quicker close. And then finally, the other way is off-market homes. Like, find your buyer the home before it goes on the market. Either, your own upcoming listings, other agents in the area that you network with, their upcoming listings, or, go out and prospect and hunt. Like, if they want a home and it's not on the MLS, you don't know of any other agents who have that listing kind of, coming up, go find it. So go knock on doors, put letters, it's not that hard. If your buyers have a specific need, there's certain types of home they want, you can do searches, create a list, and then reach out directly to those owners. I've done a lot of sales that way. A lot of my team members have as well. So hope that helped you guys. I know, if you're able to help buyers, if you're able to give buyers homes that aren't on the market, help them win in competing situations, you're creating a ton of value. So you're gonna, get more clients, keep more clients, create a ton of loyal raving fans, and get more referrals. So if that was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share it with someone that you think can benefit from this. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I want you to keep getting this great content. And if you want even more exclusive content and direct access to Carrie and myself, click here to learn about how to get a free trial period in our exclusive Inner Circle. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again.